Hey there, fellow travelers and wanderlust enthusiasts. Welcome back to Connolly Cove. Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey through one of Europe's most iconic and charming spots, Nyhavn in Copenhagen, Denmark. Nyhavn is a place that truly encapsulates the essence of Copenhagen, vibrant, historic, and teeming with a rich maritime heritage. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First, a bit of history. Nyhavn, which means new harbor, dates back to the late 17th century when it was dug by hand. Originally, it served as a bustling commercial port, and the colorful buildings you see today were constructed to house sailors, merchants, and warehouses. But as you can see, Nyhavn has transformed into a lively, bustling waterfront district. The old warehouses now house charming restaurants, cafes, and bars, making it the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a tasty meal, or a boat ride along the picturesque canals. Now, one of the best ways to experience Nyhavn is by hopping on a canal boat tour. These tours offer a unique perspective of the city and provide fantastic photo opportunities, especially when you pass by the colorful buildings. Keep an eye out for street performers and artists who bring this area to life with their talents. You never know when you'll stumble upon a captivating live performance. If you're a foodie, Nyhavn won't disappoint. The restaurants along the waterfront serve an array of delicious Danish cuisine and international dishes. Don't forget to try the classic smørrebrød or enjoy a meal with a view of the canal. Nyhavn is also an excellent spot for some outdoor activities. You can rent a bike and explore the city like a local, or you can even rent a kayak and paddle your way through the picturesque canals. As the day winds down, be sure to catch a sunset at Nyhavn. The warm colors of the buildings against the fading sun create a magical atmosphere you won't soon forget. Nyhavn is not just a place, it's an experience. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for a charming spot to relax and enjoy the beauty of Copenhagen, Nyhavn has something for everyone. So, when you plan your trip to Denmark's capital, make sure Nyhavn is at the top of your must-visit list. That's a wrap for our Nyhavn adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration from around the world. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy travels.